So students, today's our topic is XNOR Gate, and its working is like the same on inputs is equals to 1. It is opposite of XOR used in equality comparators. If A XNOR B is equals to 1, then A equals to B. Means if there are two variables A and B, if A has two values 0 1 and B has two variables 1 0, if both variables have same values, then the answer must be 1. So let's check it firstly with truth table, then we design its logic circuit. So here are A and B, and A have 0 0 1 1 and B have 0 1 0 1. So now let's check. If both variables have same values, just like A also has 0 and B also has 0, and A also has 1 and B also has 1. So here is output is 1 and 1, otherwise 0 and 0. Now this is our truth table of XNOR Gate. Now let's check it on logic circuit how it is working. So we have tool logic circuits. There we design circuits tool is used for this purpose. We are working today on XNOR Gate. So this is our XNOR Gate. So firstly we drag and drop our NOR gate. As you can see, we have 3 points. We also take one output LED, so we can check our logic circuit working, and also we take 2 variables. So we connect this point to this one, and also this to this one, and this to this one. Now as you can see, if both values have same, then LED on, means that LED is turned on as red. If I press this button, one is on and one is off, then LED is off. If I press also this, both have 1, also LED is on. If this one 0, then also LED is off. So today this is our XNOR Gate working. Thank you.